When I first got my real estate license back in 2003, the head broker asked my class, "Why did you get into real estate?" Many raised their hand and said, "To make more money or to be more independent." I raised my hand and said, "Customer service." Thousands of home sales later, I still raise my hand for customer service. In 20 plus years, times have changed and home prices have risen. While home prices have gone up, my commission rates have gone down. Not necessarily because I needed to, but because I wanted to. Also, in 20 plus years, the effective method of selling a home has changed, though many still cling to old practices. Print ads and open house ads no longer are an effective method, statistically, of selling a home, while online presentation and reach makes all the difference for my clients' homes. More than 20 years ago, we could only put 8 photos in the MLS. 8. Now we're listing globally, we're listing on multiple MLS systems, we're boosting our clients' homes on the top real estate websites, and we're providing them with a stack of professional real estate photography, 3D tours, floor plans, drone shots, and more. More than 20 years ago, agents had contracts that you had to pay to cancel. Contracts with long strings attached after termination. Oh wait, they still do that today. When I first started, customer service was my focus, and to me that meant cancel anytime contracts for no charge with no strings attached, and that is the way it is always going to be for me. Customer service first. I hope you'll give us a call today.